Suppose that we have 6 apples and we want to arrange them rows in such a way that each row has the same number of apples. Now we can arrange them in many ways using all the 6 apples. Now in the first way, we can arrange one apple in each row. Then we'll get the number of rows is equal to 6. Therefore, the total number of apples is equal to 6 into 1, that is equal to 6. And in the second way, we can arrange 2 apples in each row. Then we'll get the number of rows is equal to 3 and the total number of apples is equal to 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. In the third way, we can arrange 3 apples in each row and we'll get the number of rows is equal to 2 and the total number of apples is equal to 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. In the fourth way, we can arrange 6 apples in each row. That means that we can arrange in only one row. Therefore, the total number of apples is equal to 1 into 6, that is equal to 6. Now, these are the only possible arrangements using all the 6 apples. Now, from these arrangements, we can observe that 6 can be written as a product of two numbers in different ways. That is, we can write 6 is equal to 1 into 6, 6 is equal to 2 into 3, or 6 is equal to 3 into 2, or 6 is equal to 6 into 1. Now, from 6 is equal to 2 into 3, it can be said that 2 and 3 exactly divide 6. So, 2 and 3 are factors of 6. Now, from the other product, 6 is equal to 1 into 6, we can say that 6 and 1 are also factors of 6. Therefore, 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the only factors of 6. That is, a number which divides the other number exactly is called a factor of that number. In other words, every number is completely divisible by its factors. We'll take another example. Consider a number 12. Now here also we can write 12 as 12 is equal to 12 into 1, or 12 is equal to 2 into 6, or 12 is equal to 3 into 4. So from all these arrangements, we can say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. Means these numbers divides exactly the number 12. So we can say that these are the factors of 12. Consider another number 15. Since 1, 3, 5 and 15 divides the given number 15 exactly. Therefore, 1, 3, 5 and 15 are the factors of 15. That is, a number which divides the other number exactly is called a factor of that number. Now, 1 is a factor of every number and is the smallest of all the factors. And every number is a factor of itself and is the greatest of all of its factors. Prime factors of a number. Prime factors means the factors which are prime. For example, if we consider a number 6, now we know that 2 and 3 are factors of 6. 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Therefore, here 2 and 3 are prime factors of 6. Now, if we take a number 12, the factors of 12 are 2, 3, 4 and 6. Now, here 2 and 3 are prime numbers, but 4 and 6 are not prime numbers. Therefore, 2 and 3 are prime factors of 12. Prime factorization of a number. Prime factorization means it is the product of prime factors of the given number. For example, if we consider a number 30, now we can write this 30 as 3 into 10. Here 3 is a prime factor and 10 is not a prime number. And we can write it as 2 into 5. Now again we can write this as 2 into 3 into 5. Now here 2, 3 and 5 are prime numbers, or these are the prime factors of 30. So we can write this 30 as 2 into 3 into 5. Now this is the product of prime factors of 30. Highest common factor or HCF of the given number. We consider the numbers 60 and 90. Now first we consider the factors of 60. Now the factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. Now the factors of 90 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 10, 16, 30, 45 and 90. Now the common factors are 1, 2, 3, 5, 10 and 30. Now from this we can take the highest common factor is 30. Now this is called the HCF or GCD of the given two numbers 60 and 90. So HCF means it is the largest of all the common factors of the given numbers. Now the HCF can be found either by prime factorization method or by common division method. First we take the prime factorization method. Find the HCF of 60 and 90. Now in this method first we resolve the given numbers in the product of prime factors. That is, here 60 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 and 90 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now from these two numbers we take the product of common factors. Here the common factors are 2, 3 and 5 and here the HCF is given by the product of common factors. The product of common factors is the HCF of the given numbers. Therefore, HCF is equal to 2 into 3 into 5, that is equal to 30. Now, take another example. Find the HCF of given three numbers. Now here the given numbers are in the form of product of prime factors. Now to find the HCF of the given three numbers, take the prime factors common to the given numbers. Now here the prime factors common to the given numbers are 2, 5 and 7. And the product of the least powers of the common factors gives HCF. Now to find the HCF here we'll consider the least powers of the common prime factors. If we consider the common factor 2, here the least power of 2 is 2 square. If we consider the common factor 5, the least power of 5 is 5 and the least power of 7 is 7 square. Therefore, HCF is equal to 2 square into 5 into 7 square, that is nothing but 980. Division method. Suppose we had to find the HCF of two given numbers 35 and 75. Now in this method, first we divide the large number by the small number. That is, first we divide 75 by 35. Now if we divide 75 by 35, we get the remainder 5. Now again divide the divisor by the remainder. Suppose if we get the remainder is 0, then we stop the process. Otherwise, we repeat the process of dividing the divisor by the remainder until we get the remainder as 0. Now in this case, if we divide 35 by 5, we'll get the remainder 0. And here the last divisor is called the HCF of the given numbers. Here 5 is the last divisor, therefore the HCF of 35 and 75 is 5. Take another one. Find the HCF of 70, 105 and 175. Now to find the HCF of the three numbers, first we find the HCF of any two numbers. Now here first we find the HCF of 70 and 105. That is, divide 105 by 70. Now if we divide 105 by 70, we'll get the remainder 35. Now again we divide the divisor 70 by the remainder 35. Then we'll get the remainder 0. Therefore, The HCF of 70 and 105 is 35. Now again we'll find the HCF of 35 and 175. That is, first we divide 175 by 35. Now if we divide 175 by 35, we'll get the remainder 0. Therefore, the HCF of 35 and 175 is 35. Therefore, the HCF of the given three numbers 35, 105 and 175 is 35. Therefore, this 35 will be the highest common factor of the given three numbers.